You're listening to the Scrapbook Collective.
95.3 FM.
Happy Hump Day, everybody. You're with Crackles, Jess, and Gafa in the studio.
Good versus evil twin.
Good versus evil twin syndrome.
There's always one good and one bad.
Yeah, everyone always has a dilemma. They always ask us,
Which one is it?
who's the evil twin?
Yeah.
Who's the good twin? Are you the evil twin? Of course the evil twin's going to go, no.
Yeah, or is he going to say yes? Just
That's
to fool you.
So we wanted to conduct this for you guys, the listeners.
Yeah.
This is a situation for you to figure out.
So you'll know which one it is.
What we're going to do is we're going to simulate this evil or good twin, and what you're going to need to do is guess
Yep.
who is
Who is
the twin telling the truth.
the liar?
That's
or
it.
the truthful
Or the
one?
truthful one. either or.
The Scrapbook Collective,
Lick us and stick us on your radio.
Wednesdays 3:30 to 5.
It's Anne-Marie.
Anne-Marie, I thought it was you. I was worried to ask, but I knew it was you.
Can I play the twin game?
You can.
Welcome in.
Permission granted.
So, okay, Anne-Marie.
Yep.
So what we're going to do, okay, Gaff and I will tell a story,
Yep.
okay, and you have to decipher which one is truth and which one is false.
Okay.
Anne-Marie should decide who goes first.
Okay, well,
Yep.
flip the coin, Anne-Marie.
Chuck it in.
Alright, Crackles can go first.
Crackles.
Well, that didn't work out. No.
Good
Okay,
or evil?
this is the story. I was briskly walking to a friend's place
Briskly, eh?
one afternoon. It was a happy day. Briskly walking.
Happy Craig. There you go.
Just kind of like dancing to the tune, but walking.
Yep.
And and yeah, me and my mate, we were together, two of us, and we're walking, and he just came with me, so we're walking. I don't even know why he did. This is a great story. Anyway, we bumped into a female, and she came up to us with a bag,
Yep.
had a bunch of kittens in it.
Yep.
And she goes,
So weird.
Wow.
she goes, I'm pretty much throwing these away. Do you want one?
Throw them away.
And I was like, what? Wow, of course, yeah, kitten's on sale.
Just throwing them away.
I'll take one. So I took one, took it home. We kept it till this very day, and it's called Meowgie. Now, Gaff.
Now it's my turn. Okay. It all started one stormy afternoon. Crackles was walking along. This is about Crackles as well. He's walking along the beach.
Thanks, Jeff.
And, yeah. Because there'd been these pogs washed up, and he was just running along trying to pick up these pogs.
Yeah, as
and
I
then
do.
he just discovered this injured baby turtle. And he decided to put it into his bag because he wanted to take it and try and nurse it back to health. So he put it in a bucket in his bag, took it home, put it in a bucket, tried to feed it. And then eventually, because it didn't get any better, they had to take it to the aqua land or whatever it is, where they look after animals.
What happened to the turtle? Did it get better? I need to know.
His
for
name was
closure.
Lucky. His name was Lucky the turtle, and he's doing okay.
He's all right now?
I'm not sure if he's still there, but
Like 100 million years old or something.
yeah, he could have been really old, just a midget.
Okay, so Anne-Marie, that is your choices. That's your choices.
It's hard though. I think I would really like the kittens one to be true, but I think that one might be the lie.
The
Which
kitten one.
The kitten one.
Crackles a story.
Lying.
Did you say mine was a lie?
Yep.
The answer to the question is incorrect. But I'm sorry, Anne-Marie. No,
Damn!
Jeff's the evil twin.
Yay!
Evil twin does well.
You gotta watch them. They're so clever.
Oh, dear.
Oh, thanks for the call, Anne-Marie.
See you guys.
See ya.
Bye.
95.3 FM.